Hi, I'm Mr. Hafiz from Masters Academy. Today I just came here in front of you, the SBI SO post, to discuss about it. So let's see on the board. This is going to be the website, official website. So here the latest updates will be here present, and the first notification, the recruitment of specialist cadre officers in contract basis. So just want to check what exactly it is. So this is the Circle Defense Banking Advisor Unreserved 1. The maximum age limit is 60 and contract period is 2 years and CTC is 19.5 lakhs and 30 days leave is provided and the location is Hyderabad. So eligibility criteria as on 31/5/2021, the application must be retired Major General or Brigadier or in Army or for comparable ranks of Indian Army or Air Force, and the role and responsibilities all listed is provided here. You please go through that. So moving to the other selection process is purely selection will be shortlisted and interview. So you please make sure you are eligible and do your best, right? Moving to the other skill. So the other one here is, so it is also recruitment of specialist cadre officers on a regular basis. 13 August to 2nd September is the registration time, and here it is, the post is for Assistant Manager Marketing and Communication General 1 and OBC 1. Total 4 posts are available and maximum age is 30 as on 1 April 2021, and shortlisting and interview and the location is Mumbai. And here the actual qualification, so the basic qualification is MBA and PGDM, and equivalent and specialization marketing and UGC minimum 60% have to course completed through the corresponding part-time will be available, eligible, and additional qualifications brand management and marketing analysis, project management, event management, digital marketing. So the MS Office Analytic MIS tools should be there, and experience is minimum 3 years and post basic qualification as on 1/4/2021. So this is final institution. And Marcom stream, so core experience, the specific skills required is marketing communications across media, good understanding of consumer and insight from across various demographic segments and culture nuances of different states of India, and especially with respect to retail banking and products for digital marketing stream and event management stream. So this is all about the qualifications and experiences for the event, digital marketing stream and event management stream, and recruitment process and call for interview and merit list will be selected, and by preparing descending order on the basis of score obtained by the interview only. So shortlist and interview only. So wish you all the best for you, and there are few more jobs. So in that, so this is again the specialist jobs, again on a regular basis, then the same 13 August to 2nd September. So the tentative online test, if it is there, then it is 25 September 2021. You can download your call letters 13 September onwards. And here the jobs are the two types. One is civil engineering and electrical engineer. So this is junior management grade scale. So it's a 17, 9, 5, 2, 3, total 36, 6, 2, 1, 1, total 10. So total is 46 vacancies, and the maximum age is 30 and minimum age is 21, and a written test and interview, and you will be placed anywhere in India, right? So, and again post qualification experience here, it is for the engineering in civil, he has to complete 60% or 6.75 on a scale. So the basic qualification as on, it has to be completed on that day, and work experience must have obtained after basic qualification, and essential experience should be there. And for the engineer electrical, so the same 60% and 6.75 scale, and the qualification should be before 1/4/2021, and the experience 2 years work experience should be there and here, and work experience must basic after the basic qualification only. So these two are the criteria, and later the job profiles, and as well as see the job profiles and a brief of posts, the functionalities and professional detailing in a related matter, and the timely commitment and technical wings, and all these details will be there. You please go through, and I will share all the links. And coming to the other notification, This is for relationship manager and product manager. This is also a specialist cadre, and you can apply 13th August and to 2nd September. And this is again for deputy manager and relationship manager and product manager. So 5, 1, 2, 2 total 10 posts, and 5, 1, 6 total 6 posts, 1, 1 total 2 posts. So in total, grand total, it's 18 posts will be there. And maximum age is 35 and minimum age is 25. Shortlisting and interview, and place of posting is the corporate center, any other places decided by the bank, Mumbai or any other places, right? And later, so these are the specific details and specific experiences. So 3 years minimum post qualifying experience, and here 5 years total experience as on 1/7/2021. So for deputy manager, he has to complete MBA. Relationship manager, he has to complete BA or BTech, and product manager BE, BTech, anything along with MBA, and here relationship manager along with MBA. So here the product manager also have to 5 years, out of 5 years he has to complete a 4 years work experience after MBA degree. So these are the specific requirements for the respective corresponding posts. And if you move further, a relationship manager has to these all are the details. You please go through the notification. The links will be provided to you in the description. You please follow that, and you please go through that, and you please apply, and wish you all the best for your success. And if you get any piece of doubt, you please comment in the below so that I can respond, or you please go through the links below. And coming to the Masters Academy, what we are providing for the skills, for arithmetic skills, for reasoning skills, for the math, and for eyesight, for there are various number of courses are listed there. You please go through and download app Mr. Hafiz e-learning. So with the new topic, new notification, new video, I'll come back in front of you. And till now, bye bye.